Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove or add action to the floating home button on iPhone. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, you need to go to Settings and then click on Accessibility. Scroll down until you find Touch and then click on Assistive Touch. So if you don't have it off, if you don't have it on, you need to turn it on. And this to show you the button. So right now there are 6 actions in my button, in my floating home button. If I want to add more action to it or remove the action, I need to click on customize top level menu, and then I can click on the plus icon to create more action, and then click on the new icon that you just created. You can add either camera, analytics, or lock screen, however you want it. But if you don't want it, you can always click on the minus icon to remove the action. And that is how you can add or remove the home button, the action in the home button on your iPhone. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.